Hello, my dear friends. Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends, FX Vision channel. This video, I will be analyzing the chart of the XAUUSD. So if you're watching my channel for the first time, please like and subscribe my channel. So, my dear friends, I would like to say that the gold has already hit the point which I have already told you in my 19th August weekly forecast, that was from 19th to 23rd August 2024. And it had already hit it last week. So, couple of days ago we were around 2400, and now we are talking about 26. Okay, so there have been some miss is anyways, my dear friends, the market is open and we can see the market is still very bullish, excuse me. So whenever levels we discuss on last week are still very much, if you have already watched my video, then you know that the levels, so now new levels, but yes, I will be taking some extra stuff here so that you can listen my to me carefully. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, we look at the market sentiments. Gold hits all time high, a gold trades record high level. This is the market sentiment, and if you look at the chart of the gold, we see that gold also went for a breakout right now, almost trading at the previous high of 2585. On the previous video, we discussed that in the chart of the gold right now is pending the trend of the market. Considering the present trend of the market, it is better and safer for us to buy at retracement. But if market does not come for retracement, we cannot help. In that case, buying at breakout is the only trading strategy. So if you already have taken a buy at breakout, so then you can continue with your buy position. But I also mentioned to you that we need to be careful because the first half of the Monday we do not have much volume. So please follow the proper risk management. But right now things are very critical. Also, with gold, because it has already given us considerable move, huge move, and the gold is standing at very fragile zone, that is 2600. So now listen to me carefully again. See, 2600 is going to be a very strong level for buyers as well as sellers. Okay, so if you are in a buyer, if you have been holding a buy position on gold as a positional trader, swing trader, or a day trader, okay, this must be your target, isn't it? But if you are stuck at the sell, because of Friday we saw this stim meter, 77% of the retail traders are on sell right now. So if you are still hoping for the trend reversal, then 2600 can be very crucial level, because around 2600 there will be some selling pressure and market may come for trend reversal. Now let's go into a little complication. Okay, see now, gold is right now standing around 25, 85, 86 area. Okay, and we are expecting gold to hit 2600, but we must understand one thing, that we are trading on the spot market. Okay, and if we look at the 2600 on the futures market, the option data, we can see that we have a good number of contracts at 2600, or the highest contract standing at 2600. So the futures market is saying that 2600 is going to be a resistance. And if we look at the current price on the futures market, we can see that gold is already standing at the 2612, and it's trading about 2600. So before hitting 2600 in a market, if you see that there is a sudden drop on gold, please do not be surprised, because the resistance from the future markets is already indicating that gold has already crossed it. So any point if a big sell comes also, okay, you should not be surprised and you need to be ready. So if you are a buyer, stay alert, and if you are a buyer as a positional trader, you need to be careful with your stop loss, because if a great candle forms, then you will be losing a huge chunk of your profit. So please be alert. Okay, in case if you see that there is a big drop in the market, gold is dropping below 2550, then please try to exit as a buyer, because again you will get an opportunity to enter in the retracement. So this is the ongoing market situation, and if you are a seller, you are stuck at on sale, then also 2600 is going to play a major role, because if the market fails to break 2600, then we can expect a good correction. I'm not seeing a trend reversal right now because market sentiment is completely bullish, but if a big correction comes, at least you will be able to exit at a minimum loss. Try to exit. And in case market doesn't come for the retracement, because sometimes the market is so bullish that the market doesn't come for retracement, in that case try to exit. Try to book your losses if the market breaks 2600, because if we consider the geopolitical scenario, you must be knowing that the tension in the Israel and Iran and okay still going on, okay, and things are escalating. Any big news will make gold fly again. Gold will break 2600, gold will break 2650. Any big news from the geopolitical. So stay in touch with the news also. So right now the market is very very fragile. Uh, you area. So please be careful. As I said, that on the levels on Friday. Uh, the market may support get supported 2547 is still very much valid, and we have supported around 2530 area. These are the levels. These levels are far away. We need a big correction, then the support will be 2570. These levels are also valid, but these levels we need a big drop in the market. And as we all know, if a big drop doesn't come in the market, we cannot help in that case. As a trader, we can look for a quick buy around 2574 to 2570. These are the two levels on the chart of the gold where as a day trader we can look for a buy position. Okay, keep in your mind the reliable levels like 2530, 2550 are far away chances for of market coming in these level are very less. Okay, and please follow proper risk management, because gold is in trading like anything may happen right now. I don't have any open positions right now because obviously I am a day trader. I'll be looking for a buy at the retracement of 2574 and 2570. If I get a buy in these two areas, I'll buy. Otherwise, I'm not going to for any position. If gold goes up during the day, I will get a sell around 2600. Yes, we can go for a sell around 2600, but follow the strict risk management. Those who are trading with a profit can trade with your risk only. You are trading with your own capital, then do not risk more than 2 to 3%. Okay, because what will happen at 2600, it is difficult to tell us right now, and we are a small retail traders. We do not have that kind of knowledge and capacity to predict the market. Okay, the only way to make the money in this type of market is not to type this is not in this type of market is okay, knowing how to react according to the various market conditions. We need to be survival, and to become a good survivor you need to learn how to survive in the various markets conditions and situations. If you want a detailed analysis on the gold, you can look for the weekly forecast video which have already updated for the gold weekly forecast. Thanks a lot for my friend. That is for today. Please hit a like and subscribe. Please hit a like button on the channel and subscribe my channel, and do share my videos to all the people who want to do further in the gold. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.